So can CRISPR Therapeutics make you a millionaire? Big picture, we did have buyers defend this weekly buyers level at $40, and since then price has been off to the races. However, price has pulled back into and from a key level at $80, which was support, now serves as resistance. And currently price finds itself roughly in the middle of this range, again between $40 and $80. Question is, can Chris make you a millionaire? Let's get into the article. So if you're looking for a stock that has the potential to grow $2 million, a good move may be to invest in a strong business that's in a fast growing industry. Gene therapy is an example of just that. The market for gene therapy is worth a relatively modest $8.7 billion this year. But analysts also believe that by 2030, it could soar to $29.5 billion. Gene therapies have significantly improved as they could give people with harder to treat diseases new hope. And one company that's becoming a big name in gene therapy these days is CRISPR Therapeutics. This mid-cap stock is worth over $5 billion today, but has the potential to be much more valuable in the years and decades ahead. Now, early this month, the FDA approved Casgevy, a gene therapy treatment that CRISPR has been working on with Vertex Pharmaceuticals. The treatment, which has a list price of $2.2 million, can be a one-time functional cure for people with sickle cell disease. Now, when it comes to investing in biotech stocks, the big concern for investors often relates to cash burn and the need for frequent share offerings, aka diluting shareholder value. But now that CRISPR has an approved treatment and product in its portfolio, there's less potential risk out there. And while it will have to share its profits on Casgevy with Vertex, that's still a much better situation than where the company had been before. Now that CRISPR has one gene therapy treatment approved, the hope is that there could be others to follow. Its pipeline features other promising treatments, including VCTX210 and VCTX211, which could transform the lives of people with type 1 diabetes. And type 1 diabetes is big business in the U.S., as we and most Americans are on this seed diet, fat diet, salt diet. Now, CRISPR stock has a lot of potential to increase in value in the future. And this is the author speaking. And he could see investment in the healthcare company eventually growing to $1 million, but it all depends on the size of your investment. Putting just $100 into the stock means you would need it to generate a 10,000x return, which isn't very likely, at least not in stocks. It is in cryptos, as we've seen in recent weeks and months. The more you can invest, the more probable that it is that your shares will eventually grow to 1 million. Now, kind of going back to the stock charts, going down to the weekly chart, you can see that you have these sell wicks, rightfully so, as you had resistance right above. Now, you do have a gap that needs to get filled down at the $50 level. However, the best levels to go long is at the weekly buyers level at $40. Now, will price get back down here? It's possible. Let's go to the daily chart. This was a nice daily level to get long. Had a leg higher or leg in, basing candles, and leg out. But again, this level's in the middle of this range. And can they work? Most definitely, if you have momentum on your side. In this case, the momentum was to the upside. And what I like about this level is that now you have your moving averages starting to penetrate the zone. Again, that should serve as dynamic support. So we're going to mark the level. It may or may not work again, but we do have to respect it until it's not respected any longer. So the question that I have for you folks, can CRISPR make you a millionaire? Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Like the video.